Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast. I am at Borgata, Atlantic City in the MGM Tower. They upgraded me to a Superior King room. This is a corner room in the MGM Tower. Superior perhaps because of the extra space and the couch. Very spacious room coming in. You can see the king bed, nightstands on both sides, and lighting at the top. A mirror on this side as well. As you get closer, you can see plugs are right next to the bed. This tower was recently renovated. Nice to have the extra plugs. There's also a second light with a red sticker for some reason. If you turn that off, it's the upper lights. You can turn it back on and see extra lighting. 3 different mirrors in one on this side, some art on the wall above. Temperature controls, currently off for video recording, and a view outside. The sunset arriving here later in the day, of course. This is early February of 2026. Cold outside, but nice in here. Here's the extra couch rather than the typical side chair. You can see an area for a laptop, very spacious, and a coffee cart. In the standard rooms in the MGM Tower, typically there's just a long table including the TV, coffee, and more. But this time we have a coffee cart. The standard condiment kits, the coffee packs, and another view outside. See the Borgata Tower outside and a little bit of a purple reflection. And again, the sunset in the back. Here's the TV and several dressers inside of that. Big screen TV. Another mirror next to the closet. See a safe inside the closet. Hangers, ironing board, and some more shelving. Something for the luggage as well. Walking into the bathroom. 1 sink, body lotion, hand wash. Necessities, there's a nail file, typically a hair cap, some glasses. It's a walk-in shower with an extra towel at the bottom, serving as kind of a mat. Open the door to get inside. A back bench, perhaps handicap accessible. Conditioner, shampoo, body wash. And the lever to turn the shower on, just 1 shower head. Bathroom area, toilet, nothing special, but a separate room, and some art on the wall. This was a complimentary room booked with the myVEGAS app. A free night now, what seems to be every month in 2026. I stayed in January, February, and also had a night in December. So they're more generous than usual. And I got an upgrade to this room thanks to the MGM Platinum status I earned through credit card spend and play on BetMGM, mostly playing blackjack in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.